In this code quickie, I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple virtual hosts on wamp. The first thing you need to do is open my PC or my computer, go onto OS, go onto wamp, bin, Apache, whatever version of Apache you're running, conf, and httpd.conf. I'm going to be opening that in Notepad++. Okay, the first thing you need to do is find the following line. It is this one here. Make sure that's uncommented. And then at the end of the file, you're going to need to add the following line. Make sure it's uncommented. Save that. Now let's run wamp. A good sign would be that it's not working as it should normally. So let's open localhost. Hopefully it won't be found. There we go, that's successful. Okay, so the next step is open the www folder. So OS, wamp, www. Now let's create a folder called my site. Okay. Within this folder we'll create a index file. So I'm not going to go through the correct HTML, I'll just quickly create a hello world file. So let's save that. My site index.html. Save that file. Okay. The next thing we're going to need to do is open the following folder. So let's open PC, OS, go into Windows, System 32, drivers, where are we? etc and hosts. I'm going to edit that with Notepad++ and then add the following line. The local IP address and the folder of the site you have created. So let's save that. Please check the file is not opened in another program. Okay, so we get this error. Let's press OK. Let's close this. Let's try running as administrator. Save that. Save file, yes. Okay, so hopefully that should have saved. Let's open it again. Yep, that's successful. So now if you open localhost, it still won't work, but we should be able to load my site. My site. And there we have it. That's worked successfully. So now what we're going to do is maintain the original index.php file. Let's go to www, create a new folder. That's called localhost. Okay, let's move these files into localhost. Now I'm going to edit this in Notepad++. Okay, so the first line we're going to have to edit is this one here, server underscore dir. So let's add // that's to go up an extra directory. Now what we're going to need to edit is the project files. So let's find that. Okay, here. So we're going to need to change this to scandir and add an extra dot that goes up one directory. Also we're going to edit this line and for each handle as file. And then what we need to do is if not in underscore array $file, and then create a new array. And within the array we're going to add the following strings. It's a dot, 2 dots, and localhost. What this does, it ignores those when scandir picks them up, so it'll only show the my site or whatever other folder you make. What you're also going to need to do is delete this line. Save that. So let's open that up. OS, Windows, System 32, drivers, etc. hosts, and edit that with Notepad. Let's add another line. Localhost. Let's save that. That's saved. Now we'll open the localhost, see if that's working. And that's working fine. Let's open my site, and there we have it.